Okay, I thought I'd make a video for all you shade tree mechanics and motorheads out there about something that I've heard about that nobody's ever done. And that is to be able to remove the drain plug from the oil pan and not have the oil drain out, such as replacing the drain plug or the drain plug gasket when you don't want to drain the oil. So the first thing we need to prove here is that there is oil in this engine. So if I can do this two-handed here. So first off, this dipstick has no oil on it. I don't know whether that can be seen or not. Okay, no oil on the dipstick. Put the dipstick in the dipstick tube. Pull the dipstick out of the dipstick tube. Should be pretty apparent that there's oil on it now. So there is oil in this engine. What I'm going to do is I've attached a vacuum cleaner. A $99 El Cheapo Hoover vacuum cleaner. I did cheat. I took the bag out to optimize the negative pressure. The hose is connected to the filler. As you can see here, there's the filler cap on top. That's the oil fill tube. I'm going to turn the vacuum on, applying a negative pressure or a vacuum to the crankcase. And then I'm going to take the drain plug out, see if the oil falls out. This is the hard part. So we turn on the vacuum. Okay, there's our drain plug. And our drain plug pan. Now I'm just going to unscrew the drain plug and take it out. And again, there is oil in this pan. This is the way I've been driving it for the last 5,000 miles. You can see the oil residue all over the bottom here because of a leak that this replacement drain plug is supposed to fix. Okay, so it's finger tight. If you can hear that gurgling noise, that is air going into the drain plug hole by virtue of the vacuum of the crankcase. No oil is coming out. If I shut the vacuum off, we will have oil fall out. So let's do that next. Okay, as a follow-up to this video, I wanted to capture some of the used oil to pour back into the crankcase to flush out any metal chips from retapping the drain plug threads that have been damaged. So I'm going to show you how you have control over getting a little bit of oil out when you don't want to drain all of it. So right now, we have no oil draining into that white plastic bin because the vacuum cleaner is maintaining a vacuum in the crankcase. I'm going to turn it off. And there goes the oil. The plug was already out, obviously. I'm going to let a few quarts just drain in there. I'm going to turn the vacuum back on. And the oil flow is stopped. Hope this might be useful for someone sometime. Okay, chapter 3 of my How Not to Drain Your Oil with a Vacuum Cleaner. I thought it would be interesting to note the extent to which the vacuum cleaner might become contaminated with oil, since it's sucking from the crankcase. Well, I've taken the hose off. This is the hose that was connected to the vacuum cleaner. And whether you can see it or not, there really is no oil residue. Now, the other end, you can see the duct tape here, where I had it taped to the oil fill tube on the valve cover, does have some oil residue. So the point here is that while the end of the hose will have some oil deposited on it, potentially, it does not reach the vacuum cleaner, therefore no risk to the vacuum cleaner itself. So if you can do this when the little woman isn't looking, she should know the difference. Okay, thanks for watching.